In modern warfare, power is no longer defined by speed or firepower, but by intelligence, precision, and control. This is the Bayraktar TB2, a drone that quietly changed the rules of battle. Lightweight, efficient, and always watching, it operates high above the battlefield, out of reach, and out of sight. With a wingspan of over 12 meters and a lightweight composite structure, it is built for stability and endurance. Equipped with advanced autonomous systems, it can take off, navigate, and land with minimal human input. But its true strength is patience. It can remain airborne for more than 27 hours, watching, waiting for the perfect moment. With advanced optical and thermal imaging systems, it sees clearly in daylight, in darkness, and in complex conditions. It identifies targets, tracks movement, and delivers real-time intelligence with relentless precision. And when the moment comes, it strikes with laser-guided accuracy, controlled, calculated, decisive. Operated remotely by a small ground team, it turns information into action instantly. From surveillance to precision engagement, it has reshaped modern warfare. The Bayraktar TB2 is not just a drone, it is a new kind of power, silent, persistent, and always watching.